What day is it today?
Mavis and Grayson.
Mavis and Grayson what?
I know. My family.
Your family? Is Mavis and Grayson's birthday party?
Yeah!
Woohoo! Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah, ya no sé. Hi, Nick Dog. Come on. Don't pee on the jumper. What are you eating? Cookie? Say hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. What's today? So today we're celebrating Mavis and Grayson's birthdays. Today's their birthday party. Who's at the door? Is that Spider-Man? Spidey party, Spidey party.
Bye. I saw you. Look.
Oh, like that?
Look. Look at the video.
Spidey party, Spidey
Bye.
Spidey party, Spidey party, Spidey party. Whoa, whoa. So today we are celebrating their birthdays. I was busy all morning, that's why I haven't vlogged much. We're making pozole, green pozole, because it's gonna be cold. There's a chance of rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain, crossing my fingers. Currently working on the dessert table, so I'll show you guys that when we're done. Pozole is cooking, Jamaica's almost ready. It's 10:30 and the house still looks like this. This is what it looks like so far. I'll take the jello out a little later once it cools down in here. And these are the cakes. This is what they look like in the fridge, obviously. They came out so cute. And then I feel like since everyone nowadays wears Crocs, instead of putting like confetti on the table, so I'm gonna put these little crackle charms. I'm saving some cute ones for Mavis and Grayson. This guy is rearranging my decorations. Who's that?
Mama.
Spider-Man? Oh yeah. Now to try and put this up in the wind. The little backdrop looks cute. I'm just gonna spray it with some high shine. She's a balloon artist or what? Okay, so the back is pretty much done. I have to go inside and make sure everything's ready to go inside, so I'm gonna hurry this up. Everything is done outside, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. I think it's done. I don't know. So here's the little gift table, and then we're giving these out. They're little superhero masks and cakes. There's a jumper. There's our new sing set, and then all the tables are right here. There's 5 right now, but we do have an extra one just in case. The little decals at the top. And then the happy birthday sign came out really cute. And last but not least, the balloon backdrop garland thing. That's it, plain and simple. Spider-Man, Spider-Girl. My grandpa's here.
Hola, hola, ¿estás grabando?
Sí.
Pero ¿por qué no dijiste para haber subido la panza?
¿Cuál panza? ¿Ni tienes panza?
No.
No. Freaking 3-hour-long trip.
I had to get a bunch of stuff. We do it for all you people.
Oh yeah, it did dry up. That's cool. Okay, final look. There it is. And the final touches. Mavis and Grayson. We're basically all finished downstairs, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. Alright guys, I'll see you in a minute.
Whoa! Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Are you good? Yeah.
Oh. You already know it. chasing a rabbit or what?
Oh, hi,
No, we're walking across the water.
So cute.
There's a slippery rock.
On a rock.
What are you doing?
I'm looking at my cousin's Pokemon.
He said he had to leave a lot of their good for that daycare. I know, thank you. Let me see. Whoa! Woo! 1, 2, 3. Go put it on there. Don't take it off. Whoa! Yay! Get the spider. Go. Ah! Where are you going?
Yeah.
Go, put it. Yay! Oh. Yay! Go. Ready? Go, Go. Look it. Go. Right there! She's a winner! Winner! Hey, Grayson, you're fired, dude. You already had a turn. Right here? Okay. Yay! Go. Oh, here you go. Ready? Go. Whoa! Oh, went in. Here you go. Yay! Next, baby. Here. Oh, the green is Yay! She made one. Whoa! Yay! Went in? Yay! Go. Yeah, I wish it was.
Yay!
This is not cooperating.
Yay! Go on me. Right here. Go. Yay! Here. Go. Then right here. Yay! Go. Go. Yay! Here. Yay! Grayson got 3. Woo! Wow, that's 2. Move, Grayson! You got 2. Oh! Go. Yay! She's yellow. Okay, you want pink? Too much pink? Yeah. I gave you pink cake. You're welcome.
Black and red.
Black and red? You want green? Yeah.
How do you wash our...
Are you Picasso?
We do.
Oh.
Red and yellow makes orange.
Oh, you're right. Here.
Blue.
You got blue?
I'm painting good.
Grayson. What color is that? April. Red. April hug. Hey, that one looks cool, Mavis. Hey, that's you. Looks like watercolor. We got some bomb strawberries from Choco Fresas, Spider-Man, and Spider-Girl. Dang, the word spread quick, huh? It's been like 10 seconds. And then I forgot to add these earlier, 2 and a half.
Hola.
A bailar.
A bailar.
Sí. Hey! Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Harder, Grayson, harder.
Oh, shit. Right, get it live! Get it! 2, 3, next! Hey! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Father.
It was moving, you guys. How dare you? Come on. Ruined it.
Yeah, you gotta make sure you gotta get on the floor and go like that. Do
Go, Papa, go!
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Grayson. Happy birthday to you.
Go, go!
Go away, Grayson!
No.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Mavis. Happy birthday to you. Go it!
Go, Mavis, go! So much cake. It's also raining. Very windy. Thank you guys for all the gifts. Kids really enjoyed their day. Thank you guys and see you in the next one. Appreciate it.
Boom. Punch him, beat him up. Oh. That's all the cake that's left. ¿Listo? ¿Listo para limpiar?
Oh, no, no.
He's like, what?
Por favor.
¿Ni moviste de ese lado? Quedaste ahí todo el día.
Sí. Fui 2 veces al baño, ¿cómo no?
And there's no more pozole left. Only the corners are left of the pizza.
Thank you, my present. Thank you for watching. Bye. Like us, guys. See you next at the party. Bye.
Next to the party? Another party? Who's gonna clean up all this mess?
Daddy.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one.
What's the next slide?